FV Hospital is the first foreign-invested hospital in Ho Chi Minh City. Conceived by Dr Jean-Marcel Guillon and a group of French doctors, the founders, who shared the same vision: creating a high-tech hospital and bringing world-class healthcare to Vietnam.
I arrived in Ho Chi Minh City in November 1997 to study the possibility of creating a modern hospital for the Vietnamese. In 1999, we found a piece of land in Phu My in the middle of nowhere. In March 2003, FV opened. Since then, I witnessed an extraordinary development of Phu My.
FV Hospital opened on the 11th of March, 2003, and became the premier private healthcare facility in Vietnam. Nearly 750,000 patients have been treated at FV in 20 years, 75% of them Vietnamese.
Practicing in FV is like practicing in any other hospitals in France. Joint Commission International proved our quality by granting the Gold Seal to FV 3 times in a row.
The quality of Vietnamese doctors is excellent. Everywhere in the world, I can see Vietnamese doctors in prominent position. That's why 75% of our patients say that FV Hospital is better than others.
FV Hospital is what it is thanks to a team of talented professionals who work together for many years. Executives, middle managers, doctors, and the entire staff. I'm very proud of this team.
I am employee number 1 of this hospital. I've been recruited to FV Hospital as secretary, and I was promoted to Chief Operating Officer 13 years ago. Today, for me, FV Hospital is number 1 workplace.
FV is managed by a team of dedicated professionals, mostly Vietnamese with a majority of women, and most have been working at FV for more than 15 years, some for 20 years.
It is very emotional moment when you've been announced by JCI consultant. We could not help stop crying because we were very emotional when all our efforts are recognized. It took us almost 6 years to work together to achieve that.
FV is a tertiary care hospital with 36 specialties, including centers of excellence like oncology, ophthalmology, orthopedics, and more. It's also famous for its maternity. FV attracts and retains the best medical talents in Vietnam. Most of its 130 full-time doctors are Vietnamese who work alongside a small group of passionate French doctors. Dr. Jean works at FV since 2003, and Dr. Guillon says that he is the best radiologist he ever met. Dr. Basma, the soul of Hy Vọng, left France to set up at FV one of the best cancer centers in the whole of Asia. World-leading experts frequently visit and practice at FV. Professor Donald Tan performs corneal transplant surgery. Dr. Stefan Guéraud operates patients with congenital hand malformations.
Nói tới FV thì trời ơi, tôi rất là tâm đắc. Vô nằm đó thì lúc nào mình cần là bấm cái chuông là y tá tới liền. Còn mấy cô mà có thai ra, thay quần tay áo cũng rất là nhỏ nhẹ. Mà nói thiệt á, tôi giới thiệu cũng nhiều người lắm. Là tại vì mình hài lòng thì tất nhiên người ta cũng hài lòng.
FV anticipated the impact of COVID and was ready when the Delta wave hit Ho Chi Minh City. Doctors, nurses, and the entire staff demonstrated extraordinary dedication and courage. FV's response to the pandemic enhanced its reputation as a premier institution in Ho Chi Minh City. FV keeps expanding and investing. FV Saigon Clinic opened in 2013. set up a state-of-the-art cath lab in 2017, Hivong Cancer Center in 2018, and opened its 5-star maternity ward in 2022. The construction of the H building started in December 2022. It will open in June 2025. A beautiful building which will offer new services such as IVF, dialysis, bone marrow transplantation and much more. July 2017, Quadria becomes FV's partner, giving access to its network of hospitals and experts. April 2022, FV acquires ACC, the American Chiropractic Clinic.
FV Hospital is a model example of how successful foreign investment in the Vietnamese healthcare sector can be. Vietnam is the fastest growing economy in Southeast Asia and has enormous potential for healthcare development.